Preventing Deer Damage by Highland Hill Farm. Emerald greens are eaten alive by deer. They'll eat right up to what we call the browse line. Other cypresses and pine trees and arborvitaes are rubbed dramatically by deer if they're small. The rubbing can kill the tree or make them unsightly, or the tops of the trees will die out. The best way to stop deer is either an expensive deer fence that you have to put in. In this case, we're putting in almost 50 acres of deer fencing, and it's going to cost us in upwards to $80,000 to fence this set of farms in. The fencing has to be at least 8 foot high and possibly higher if the deer can get a running start. Usually they can't run very well on asphalt, and that slows them down to some degree, so that 8 foot here will be sufficient. In other areas where they can get a good running jump, 8 feet won't be enough, and we have to go to 10 feet. But once the fence is established, it can help you keep the deer out and corral in turkeys. Yes, the fence is pretty good in keeping animals out and in. And as you can see, if you have a good quality deer fence, you can catch your own turkeys when you need them. The best way to mitigate deer damage for most people is to select trees and shrubs that are deer resistant. Some trees are just lightly browsed, some are heavily browsed. If you have any questions as to what trees you should plant, give us a call at 215-651-8329, and we'd be glad to discuss your options for planting deer-resistant trees and shrubs. Our favorite for deer-prone areas is the green giant arborvitae. It grows quickly and is easy to grow. It grows in most soil types. It can take somewhat wet soils as well as some shade. So if you need to discuss your problems about deer or how to control deer damage on your landscape, call us at 215-651-8329. Thank you.